सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
वणक्कम। Obituary reference. Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to a tragic incident of a helicopter crash yesterday, the 8th of December 2021, at Nilgiri district of Tamil Nadu, in which India's first Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, his wife, Srimati Madhulika Rawat, and 11 other defence personnel lost their lives. Born in March 1958 at Pauri in Garhwal district of Uttarakhand, in a family of army veterans, General Rawat was commissioned on 16 December 1978 into the 5th Battalion of the 11th Gorkha Rifles. General Rawat had a vast operational experience, having served across a wide spectrum of combat and conflict situations in India and abroad. Not only did he serve on the various frontiers of the country, but also went on a command a multinational brigade in UN peacekeeping mission in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Equipped with the more than 4 decades of distinguished military service, General Rawat also held several important instructional and staff positions. He also served as the Vice Chief of the Army Staff from 1st September 2016 to 31st December 2016, and as the Chief of the Army Staff from 31st December 2016 to 31st December 2019. General Bipin Rawat had the distinction of being appointed as the country's first Chief of Defence Staff, an office which he had been serving since 31st December 2019 till his sad demise. In the last 2 years, General Rawat tried to bring in transformative reforms in the security architecture of our country. As an individual, he will always be remembered for his commitment to the nation as well as his troops. General Bipin Rawat was the recipient of several medals and honors, including the Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yuddha Seva Medal, Sena Medal, and the Chief of Army Staff Commendation on 2 occasions. He was also awarded the Force Commander's Commendation twice while serving in the UN peacekeeping forces. In the passing away of General Bipin Rawat, the country had lost an outstanding soldier and an exceptional and distinguished military leader. We deeply mourn the passing away of General Bipin Rawat, Srimati Madhulika Rawat, and 11 other defense personnel who lost their lives in the tragic incident. The loss of precious lives is indeed painful and unfortunate. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved family our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy.